Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're checking out Hario's Smart G automatic hand grinder. Now this is Hario's newest USB powered handheld motor, and it pairs with one of their most popular hand grinders, the Smart G coffee mill. In using both of these together, you'll have the ability to begin grinding beans quickly and evenly at the push of a button, and then relish in the benefits of having a hand grinder without ever having to use the hand crank ever again. In all honesty though, there is more than just that as a good reason why having this grinder, but not needing to add any effort in grinding the beans could favor this combo as a solution to accessing freshly ground coffee really wherever you are, as the whole bundle still weighs under 500 grams and makes an ideal option for traveling. So if you are planning a trip away or need assistance in grinding fresh coffee, then you can check it out in this product link up above. Now the bundle includes the clear Smart G hand grinder with its handle as the optional manual method, the automatic handheld motor referred to as the handy coffee grinder, a USB cable for charging it up, and the attachment that stabilizes the motor to the grinder. The Smart G grinder is made from BPA-free plastics, but uses a steel drive axle and spring to operate 38mm ceramic conical burrs. This grinder will hold its full grinding capacity of 35 grams in the grind's catcher that attaches securely by a twist on and off from the grinder's body. Changing the grind settings is simple and familiar to anyone who has used a Hario grinder before. After removing the grind's catcher, secure the drive axle from the top and then turn the adjustment screw found underneath the burr set, clockwise for finer and anti-clockwise for coarser. The Smart G will grind for any filter coffee method, from stovetop mocha pot to AeroPress, Delta Press, and pour overs like the V60 and Chemex, as well as French press and cold brewing. I'd like to speculate too that in using the motor, rather than the manual handle, it may just well do the finer, coarser espresso ranges too, given the fact that it is a fairly stable construction, and by using the handheld motor, you remove the unnecessary struggle that comes with grinding very fine coffee on these smaller ceramic burr hand grinders. So in using the motor with the Smart G grinder, you just need to remove the top lid of the grinder, add your beans, place the attachment on, and then the motor itself slides quite smoothly and easily onto the drive shaft. Now with one press of the button on the motor, it will begin grinding. Now it'll only grind whilst the button is being pressed, so it's not hands-free, but it is effortless. Now the battery is a USB rechargeable 2200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. It is recommended to grind no more than 2 minutes at a time, but it will grind 25 doses on a full charge, and that should equate to about 30 minutes of grinding time. And it will take 3 hours to fully charge. Now I like to be on the cautious side of a battery's longevity, as the power required to grind your beans will differ depending on your grind size you're using and the hardness of the beans. So you are able to keep an eye out on the battery charge. When you press the on button on the motor, there'll be 3 bar lights that will disappear as the battery slowly gets lower. Now the quality of the grinds produced between manually grinding coffee and using the motor was something of interest to me. And I noticed over several comparisons that the grinds produced when using the motor had a tighter grind size distribution, even to the point where it appeared to be a finer setting, except that it wasn't. And I put this down to there being a consistent load or force being placed on the burrs during grinding. And this created less outerlying grind sizes, being boulders and fines, so the final grind size was more uniform. And so long as you can continue to press that button down on the motor and then hold it all nice and steady, you're going to get good consistent results for brewing a great cup of coffee. The handy coffee hand grinder motor is not sold separately at this stage, but if you're interested in its compatibility with other grinders, the motor's drive hub is a 6mm hexagonal nut, which will attach still to the Hario Slim, the Hario Slim Pro, and the Hario Skirton Pro. and that's the Hario EMSG-2 Electric Hand Grinder Bundle for you. It's super easy to use, it stores away easily for travel, and it consistently gets the job done, even on some of those tougher to grind beans. So if you have any questions on the EMSG bundle, then throw them in the comment section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.